Alright YouTube, so welcome back again. In this video I'm gonna show you just to repair your mosquito bat. It's a quick fix. So when the spark goes down, like very low spark, and know that cracking noise, loud cracking noise and spark like that, in that case what you need to do is, so it means that your battery is okay and the circuitry is also okay, it's getting on, and the mosquitoes are burning if they are going inside this net, but they are not making very loud noise or cracking sound and loud spark like that. In that case, the most reason would be this PF capacitor, which stays here at the end. From there the output goes to the net, the red one goes to the middle one, and two blue wires are there, and see those are for the outer net on this side and the other side. So this is a high voltage capacitor and this like 2000 volt. So you just need to replace this thing, and this thing costs just ₹8 only. So you can repair your bat with low spark, just ₹8 at your home. Just remove this one, this is the old one, remove this one and install the new one here, right here at the top. So I already did that. So now let's check the spark. Turn this on, and here you can see the spark. So that's it. And also check the spark is a good quality screwdriver and hold this place, not anywhere here. You'll get high voltage shock and touch the outer net with the inner net, and then it will spark. So you can understand that. So that's it. And another thing is that there will be a transistor here. You can see 3 pins are there here, just like this. This is a new one. In case replacing the PF doesn't work well, then you just need to replace the transistor also. And this is like D882, that's the model. And you can go to any electrical parts store and ask for the transistor of this mosquito bat, and they'll give you what you need. And you just remove this one, the old one, from there and install the new one. That's it. And this thing costs like ₹6 only. So first of all, in the case of low spark, go to the first go through the PF capacitor, replace that, ₹8, and in the most cases that will do the work. And if in case it doesn't do the job, then just replace the transistor. This will cost 6. So total would be only ₹14. So you can repair your mosquito bat at home, just ₹14. So that's it. That was a quick fix of low spark mosquito bat. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.